The 4% rule, a long-standing pillar of retirement planning, posits that if you withdraw 4% of your retirement savings in the first year and adjust the amount each following year for inflation, you should have a comfortable nest egg to last 30 years. This strategy, however, is under scrutiny in the current economic landscape, particularly due to low bond yields and stock market volatility. But what's causing this challenge to the 4% rule? The answer lies in the changing economic environment. The 4% rule was established during a time when bond yields were much higher. With today's low bond yields and unpredictable stock market, the 4% rule might not provide the same safety net it once did. So what's the alternative? Some financial experts suggest diversified multi-asset income portfolios. This strategy combines various assets, including bonds, dividend-paying stocks, REITs, MLPs, and alternative income generators, to generate steady cash flows and protect your nest egg during market volatility. Yet, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. While multi-asset income portfolios have weathered recent market downturns with impressive resilience, they come with their own set of challenges. Higher costs, increased complexity compared to index funds, and the requirement for active management are a few of the hurdles to consider. Moreover, like any investment strategy, the effectiveness of a multi-asset income portfolio is highly dependent on individual factors. Your income needs, withdrawal rate requirements, and risk tolerance will all play a significant role in determining the suitability of this strategy for your retirement planning. To sum it up, the 4% rule, a once trusted retirement strategy, is facing challenges in the current economic climate. Low bond yields and stock market volatility are causing retirees to rethink this method. As an alternative, multi-asset income portfolios offer a diversified approach to generate steady income and protect your retirement savings. However, they come with their own set of challenges, including higher costs and the need for active management. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all strategy when it comes to retirement planning. It's essential to assess your individual needs and risk tolerance before deciding on the best path forward. Consulting a financial advisor can provide valuable guidance in building a retirement plan that suits your unique situation. It's a complex world out there, but with careful planning and a clear understanding of the available strategies, you can navigate your way to a comfortable retirement. Comment and subscribe for more.